In today's video we're going to show you how to make these chainmaille bracelets. And to start off, you're going to open one of the 5mm jump rings like so and add 3 of the 5mm jump rings. And then close up your first jump ring, and we're just going to open and close the jump rings like a door. And then for something to hold on to, we're just going to add the first jump ring to a paper clip. Okay. I'm going to take a 7mm jump ring, add 3 of the 5mm jump rings, and take our first section, and we're going to add the 7mm jump ring through the 3 jump rings from the previous. Then just close our jump ring, give it a little wiggle to make sure it's closed up properly. And now what we're going to do is add another 7mm jump ring in the same place as the first one. So you pick up your open jump ring, pass it through, just place those pliers down, pass it through these 3 jump rings and the next 3. Your next 7mm jump ring with your next 3 5mm jump rings. And close. And then following the path of the first jump ring, add our second jump ring through all those 6 5mm jump rings and close. We hold the paper clip, shake down, they just fall into place. You continue this adding jump rings until you have approximately a 7cm length of bracelet, or you can make it longer or shorter if you need to do so. And what we need to do now is add the clasp to each end. So I need a 5mm jump ring to add the clasp to this end. You pick up your jump ring, open it like a door, just hold it in the right place first. There you go. Close it up, and then add on our next jump ring with our clasp. And close it up. And that's your one end of your clasp. Our 2 jump rings are already on the other end of with our paper clip end. So we just need to open the last jump ring there. Add on the other end of our clasp. Oops. Close that jump ring. And then you have our completed 3 in 2 basic chainmail weave bracelet. So now we'll continue to make the more advanced box weave bracelet. To start this off, you're going to need 2 closed 7mm jump rings and 2 5mm jump rings and a paper clip. You're going to take one of your 5mm jump rings and opening the jump rings, pulling one side towards you, you're going to add the 2 closed 7mm and the closed 5mm and close your jump ring, and then we're going to pop on the end of the paper clip just for something to hold on to. So now we can continue with our box weave, and what you need to do now is have a open 7mm jump ring, add 2 of the closed 7mm jump rings, then pop them onto our section we've started, close your jump ring, take another open 7mm jump ring, and we need to add this one through the 4 closed ones on the previous section. Close the jump ring. And there you can see we have 3 sets of 2 7mm jump rings attached to one another. When you've got these 3, this is where you can start your box weave. So holding your paper clip and your jump rings, the 2 last ones you're going to fold back. You're going to open those 2 second ones and just pop up those 2 there. Take an open 7mm jump ring, just catch the 2 there, add 2 closed 7mm jump rings, close it up, and you need to add another 7mm jump ring to that single one, holding these 2 sections together. You just take another open jump ring and just follow the path of that single jump ring, and then we're ready. I'll just close that one up a little bit more, and then you're ready to carry on again, folding these 2 back, opening up these 2, and there in the middle, catch the rings like so. And this is, we're going to add our open 7mm jump ring. And before we close that, we're going to add on 2 more 7mm jump rings and close. And then we need to add another 7mm jump ring following the path of this one. So take another open jump ring, onto the first 2 and follow through like so, and close that jump ring, and then we're ready to continue our pattern, folding these 2 back, opening out the next two and then catching the first two, where we can pass through our next jump ring. You continue that pattern until you have your required length of box weave bracelet, standard length 17 centimetres, and then we're going to add our clasp to the one end where we started. So you remove your paper clip, open that very first jump ring, add the one side of your clasp and close, and the opposite end. We've got a paper clip just holding everything in place. You're going to add 7mm jump ring, a 5mm jump ring, sorry, and into that 5mm jump ring you need another 5mm jump ring. Got one here. And there you have your completed box weave bracelet.